Okay, so I have been trying to fade out the sunset orange. This front bang area was sunset orange and atomic sunshine, which is the yellow from Arctic Fox. This is pure sunset orange, faded out as much as I think I can. And then this area is, I decided to bleach another streak. So I had a matching one, and this one has a little bit of peachy tone at the end. So I'm gonna try Arctic Fox Sterling on this, which I know is not necessarily going to tone it to like blonde. I just wanna see if it does anything to cool it slightly so I can put something like a pink over it. Hello, I've got my toner concoction on, and I thought I would tell you guys what I used. So I have used mostly Arctic Fox Girls Night, which is a lavender. I added Sterling, which is a blue toned silver, and I didn't use as much of it, unfortunately, because I didn't have very much left of Sterling. It's one I try to just kind of keep on hand, but sadly I need to re-up. And then when I knew that it wasn't going to be dark enough to get me to like a blonde tone, I put in a little bit of Manic Panic After Midnight Blue. And when I say a little bit, I took a tint brush, I dipped it into the bottle, wiped most of that off, and then mixed it in. So let me show you. In this front area that had a lot of yellow, I did more of the purple tone. And see, that's actually toning out some of that orange and yellow, I think. We're not gonna be like platinum blonde, but we're gonna be more neutral. This is the area where I had previously just had bleached hair. And as you can see, I think we're gonna end up with like a nice blonde tone. This was about a level 9. All of this was about a level 9 when it first got bleached, before it got dyed. And then this is where the orange was really strong. And as you can see, I think we're gonna get something a bit less orange. Probably still kind of pinky, maybe. I don't know. I have no idea what color this is going to come out. We might end up with just weird blonde highlights, but I will let you guys know once I rinse it out. I'm back with partially dry hair, and I got to tell you guys, this is why I do not use Wella toners like T18. You don't need it. You don't need the peroxide. You don't need the damage. So, I mean, yeah, is it still a little orangey in the top? Yeah, but that's pretty much a blonde. This was already blonde, so it just came out more blonde. And then this side where the orange was, it is kind of a peachy pink, as you can see. So I'm gonna let this just kind of chill, and after it actually gets washed a couple times, it should come out even more neutral blonde, and then I can dye over it.